Can you change your country or location in Amazon Prime Video? In today's tutorial, we are going to see if it is possible for you to change your region or country on the Amazon Prime Video. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do to check is if you open up your Amazon account and log into your account. From here on the top right, you'll see the profile icon. Just tap on it. And once you get to your profile, you'll see the gear icon on the top right corner. And once your settings is open, if you go to My Account, you won't see any option to change your location. You only see an option to delete your account and sign out. So that means there is no possible way for you to change the location of your Amazon account once you have purchased the subscription. But even if you try to switch your account, you won't have an option to change your location. So what you can do is the only way is to create a new subscription, and there you will be able to change your region or set your region on the very first option. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.